Guys, if you're in the MacBook world, you'll know that it's pretty hard to exist without one of these. Now, I've reviewed quite a few of these USB-C multiport adapters, and today I have a new one to show you. And spoiler alert, it's pretty damn good, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yeah, USB-C multiport adapters. Some might say a necessary evil, and they are. Now, first off, let me just say that I was sent this all-in-one USB hub with a triple display, yes, a triple display, by the good folks at Elecife. But if you follow my channel, you'll know that anything that I review, whether I buy it myself or whether it's sent to me, you're always going to get my honest opinion. Now I can say, having a few of these, they are getting better and better all the time. This latest offering from Elecife is badged as an all-in-one, so let's take a look in the box and see what we've got. So guys, not much in the box, so to speak. Some instructions and the device itself. Now, this might seem a little on the large side, but it really isn't. And given all the features of this Elecife USB adapter, or dongle as they're more commonly referred to, you'll be pretty surprised. Now let's take a look at some of these specs. You have USB-C PD 3.0 power support for up to 100 watts, and that's up to 87 watts of safe charging. So that will take care of pretty much most laptops quite nicely. You also have two USB 2 ports, which, let me tell you, there are still some legacy devices that need USB 2, and of course, two USB 3 ports as well. You also have a full SD card slot and a micro SD card or TF type slot, which, unlike some adapters I've tried, these actually work simultaneously, so no need to keep ejecting and switching through cards. And that's pretty nice. You also have two 4K HDMI ports and, wait for it, a VGA display port. Yes, VGA display. It's still a thing, you know. And you also get a 3.5mm audio and microphone jack. And lastly, but definitely not least, a Gigabit Ethernet socket. Yes, that's still a thing too. So guys, to summarise, this is a nice package, well built, sturdy, and you won't notice any difference in your bag to any lesser featured dongles. Plus points for me are the Ethernet socket and the VGA. I still have an old projector that can only use VGA, so this is a plus for me. For the rest of you that relish in HDMI, then of course, being able to drive two 4K monitors is a big plus. So guys, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And until then guys, I'll put a link in the description with any relevant codes. So if you're interested in buying one, you can do that by simply clicking on the link. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does make a huge difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, please subscribe and smash that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.